Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to install Zoom on your Windows 10 computer. Zoom is one of the most popular video conferencing apps, and it's easy to set up. Follow these simple instructions, and you'll be ready to start your meetings in no time. Step 1. Open your browser. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Step 2. Visit the Zoom website. Once your browser is open, type in the Zoom website address, https://zoom.us. Download, press Enter to go to the page where you can download the Zoom client. Step 3. Download the Zoom client for Windows. On the Zoom Download Center page, look for the section that says Zoom Client for Meetings. Click on the Download button. The installer file, zoominstaller.exe, will automatically download to your computer. Step 4. Locate the installer file. Once the download is complete, go to your browser's Downloads folder, or the location where your downloaded files are saved. The Zoom installer file will usually be named zoominstaller.exe. Step 5. Run the installer. Double-click on the zoominstaller.exe file to begin the installation process. If you see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your computer, click Yes to continue. Step 6. Install Zoom. The Zoom installation wizard will open. Wait for the installer to complete the process. It might take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, Zoom will launch automatically. Step 7. Sign in or sign up. Now that Zoom is installed, you'll need to either sign in to your existing Zoom account or sign up for a new one. If you don't already have an account, you can create one easily by clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 8. Start using Zoom. Once you're logged in, you can start hosting or joining meetings. You can also explore the app's settings to customize your preferences, such as video quality, audio settings, and more. Tips for a smooth Zoom experience. Make sure your internet connection is stable for the best video and audio quality. Use a headset or microphone for clearer audio. Test your camera and microphone before the meeting to avoid any technical issues. That's it. You've successfully installed Zoom on your Windows 10 device. Enjoy your meetings and stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues around the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.